It's amazing to think just how important these little devices have become in our lives. Only a few decades ago, we used to carry around mobile phones the size of a briefcase, and all they could do was make and receive phone calls. These days, of course, they can do so much more than that. In fact, it's difficult to imagine life without this stylish supercomputer, packing 100,000 times more processing power than the Apollo 11 project that took us to the moon. Which is one reason why so many people seem to find it so difficult not to touch theirs while driving. Fortunately, every car in the Hyundai range, including the attractive and super practical Venue we have here, includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. So once upon a time, attaching a computer to your car required a whole team of very serious-looking people in branded jumpsuits. But today, it's as simple as attaching a cable to the USB port here, and then clicking the other end into your phone here. What you can instantly see here on the Venue's 8-inch screen is a mirror image of your phone. That means you can listen to podcasts, use Spotify to pump your favourite tunes through the car's 6-speaker stereo system, or even ask for directions to the nearest coffee shop. You also have access, simply by pressing this button here, to your very own artificially intelligent personal assistant, which means you can ask for help with absolutely anything, like so. Hey Siri, when did we land on the moon?
The United States Apollo 11 was the first crewed mission to land on the moon on the 20th of July 1969.
There you go.
This certainly has to be the most historic telephone call ever made.
So far, so useful. And obviously you can still make and answer calls, all without even needing to look at your phone, which I've put away safely in the central storage compartment. What a lot of people don't realise is that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto systems completely remove the temptation to look at your phone when new text messages arrive. That's because the system will read your SMS messages aloud and you can dictate an answer, all completely hands-free.
Rebecca said, shall we meet for lunch at the Riverview Hotel in Balmain? Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Yes, see you there.
Your message says yes, see you there. Ready to send it?
Yes, send.
Okay, it's sent.
Take me to the Riverview Hotel in Balmain.
Getting directions to Riverview Hotel.
Thank you. With a staggering 3/4 of Australian motorists admitting to multitasking while at the wheel, and authorities increasingly cracking down on people using their phones while driving, there's an argument that every single car on the road should be fitted with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which is why it is fitted to every single Hyundai sold in Australia, including the city-focused Venue.